this video, we will do some of important chemical calculations. Let's start the session. We will see the first question which is given. Calculate the number of moles in 9 gram of coal. 9 grams of coal is given to us and we are asked to calculate the number of moles. We know what is the chemical nature of coal. Coal is actually carbon in nature. First of all, we will write the data for this numerical and then we will solve the numerical. We will see what things are given and what are required. So data for this numerical is given mass of coal, given mass of coal. What is coal? Coal is carbon in nature, that is carbon. What mass of coal is given? 9 grams. We know very well what is the molar mass of carbon. Molar mass of coal, that is carbon, it is 12 gram. We are asked to calculate number of moles. Number of moles. We are asked to calculate number of moles. Now we must know what is the formula which is used to calculate the number of moles. Number of moles is equal to, we'll write the formula, that is number of moles. Number of moles is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass. Molar mass. Now we will write the values in this, put the values in this formula. What mass of coal is given? 9 gram. And what is the molar mass of coal? That is carbon, 12. We will get the answer which is 0.75. These are the number of moles which are present in 9 grams of coal. So what is the answer? 0.75 moles. I hope this question is clear to you. Now we will see what is the next question which is given. In the next question, we are asked to calculate the mass of 9.05 moles of ozone. 9.05 moles of ozone is given to us and we are asked to convert 9.05 moles into mass in gram. First of all, we will write the data for this question and then we will use the formula to solve the question. So we will write the data. Data for this question is moles of ozone which are given moles of ozone. Ozone is the allotropic form of oxygen. So moles of ozone given is equal to 9.05 moles. Molar mass of ozone, molar mass of ozone. Ozone is a triatomic molecule of oxygen. So it means how many oxygen atoms are there? 3. And the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So it means 3 multiplied by 16. We will get the answer, that is 48 gram. So what is the molar mass of ozone? 48 gram is the molar mass of ozone. And we are asked to calculate mass in gram. Mass in gram. Now we will use the formula here to calculate the mass in gram. We will see what formula is used. We know mass in grams is equal to mass in gram is equal to number of moles multiplied by molar mass. Number of moles multiplied by molar mass. Molar mass. How many moles of ozone are given to us? We will put the values in this formula. We are given 9.05 moles of ozone and we know what is the molar mass of ozone? 48 gram. So what mass we will get the answer if we multiply 9.05 with 48, we will get the answer, that is 434.4 gram. So this is a mass of 9.05 moles of ozone. I hope this question is clear to you. Now we will see the next question. Question is, calculate the mass of 0.25 moles of carbon dioxide. Here we are given 0.25 moles of carbon dioxide and we are asked to convert these moles into mass in gram. First of all, we will write the data for this question and with the help of formula we will calculate mass in gram. So we will write the data for this question. How much moles of carbon dioxide are given? Moles of carbon dioxide given 0.25. Molar mass of carbon dioxide, molar mass of carbon dioxide. We know atomic mass of carbon is 12 while atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Since we have 2 atoms of oxygen are here, so 2 multiplied by 16, that is 12 plus 32 is equal to 44 gram. So molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram and we are asked to calculate mass in gram. Mass in gram. Now we will see what formula is used to calculate mass in gram. We know very well mass in gram is equal to number of moles multiplied by molar mass. This formula is used to convert number of moles into mass in gram. The question, how many moles of carbon dioxide are given? We are given 0.25 moles of carbon dioxide and we know the molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram. So 0.25 multiplied by 44 is equal to 11 gram. This is the mass in gram of carbon dioxide. Mass in grams of 0.25 moles of carbon dioxide is 11 gram. I hope this question is clear.